Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Revalina. Here I will present the result of my research. The title of my paper is Financial Management of School Operational Assistant Fund or BOS at PGRI Bantar Gadung High School. The abstract of this paper is accountability as a principle of public accountability, which means that the budgeting process starting for the planning of prioritization and implementation must be fully reported and accountable. The implementation of the BOS SMA or MA program must follow the guidelines provided by the government. In the BOS SMA or MA technical guidelines by prioritizing the concept of school-based management or SBM, namely the principle of self-management and participatory, transparent, accountability, democratic, effective and efficient, orderly administration, and reporting and mutual trust. In the SBM concept, schools are required to independently explore, allocate, demand priorities, control, and account for the empowerment of research, both the community and to government. Okay, next, introduction. School financial management is based on the principle contained in the government regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 48 of 2008 concerning education funding, namely the principle of justice, efficiency, transparency, and public accountability. The process in school financial management, which includes planning and budget realization, is alleged to have not been fully carried out based on the principle of school financial management, which includes fairness and efficiency. Although basically the concept of reporting between countries can differ from one another with varying degrees of difference, according to Toto Prihadi. Methods and material in this paper. This research is a qualitative descriptive research. Descriptive research is research intended to investigate the circumstance, condition of which the research of refer in the form of a research report. Research and discussion. Implementation of BOS Fund Management at SMA PGRI Bantar Gadung. The BOS Fund says will be taken into account to ease the burden on all students and the school of average. The use of BOS SMA or MA funds according to the Minister of National Education number 69 of 2009 is to have met the needs of school or personal operating costs. Education financial is not only concerned with the analysis of source of educational income, but rather the effective and efficient use of funds. The principle of transparency is carried out by fulfilling the principles of property and good governance by the government, local governments, education providers established by the community, and education units so that one can be audited on the basis of applicable audit standard and products reasonable audit of a nation without exception. 2. It can be transparently accounted for the education stakeholders. The management of the BOS Fund budget in the RKAS program carried out by SMA PGRI Bantar Gadung is to plan activities and budget for the next 1 year together. Furthermore, the planned activities and budget or published to the parent as a form of control that can be carried out of by the parents regarding the management of the bus fund budget in the RKS program. And can the conflict accountability to UPTD and the central boss team as a report on accountability to superiors. Research, transparency, and accountability, as well as financial accountability reporting at SMA PGRI Bantar Gadung, so that in general, the analysis of both fund budget management and reporting finance, especially in school, is a form of accountability related to activities that are responsible through the presentation of financial statements, which include budget planning, budget usage, and full, open, and accountability budget reporting to the community and the government. Conclusion: based on the analysis of the research that has been carried out by research on respondents, it can be concluded that financial reporting at SMA PGRI Bantar Gadung can be said to be accountable even though it is not full. Likewise, financial reporting at SMA PGRI Bantar Gadung can already be said to be transparent because it has fulfilled several principles that have been set. Okay, thank you. Enough, that's all from my paper presentation. Thank you for your attention. I say thank you. Sorry if there are wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.